So the snow's really deep and I have Bucky. Say hi, Bucky. And he hates snow, so I'm going to put him right in here and see what he does. Bucky, what's happening? Oh my god! His pupils are really, really small and he's... Come on, Bucky! Elliot, what are you doing? He's really freaked out. Oh my god, what are you gonna do, Bucky? What is happening? Come on. Come on. Come on, Bucky. I don't know what to do. I'm so scared. Mommy. Help me. Come on, Bucky. Come on, you can do it. This is mean. Oh. Let's put his face in the snow. Come on, Bucky. Come here. Here, you can jump on my back. Come here. Go ahead. Jump on my back. You can do it. See? Look at that. He's scared of the snow. Alright, let's go inside. You ready? Whoop. Go inside. Ah. There you go, Bucky. You okay? I'm so sorry, babe. Come on, we'll go inside. Look at my shadow. This is bizarre. Oh, chicken butt. Oh, he pecked me. Damn it.